Now my sound is audible to all?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
आ रहा है sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. Now that is fine. And I think now we are eligible to share the things. We are eligible to discuss with you. Only 10 participants are today in my class. And one more Mahakumari is going to join here right now. And it means total 11.
No, sir. 10.
Just wait. Here it is total 13. Sakshi Kumari Eddi is also joining here right now. Sakshi, total 13. Including me, 13 participants are here in this meeting today.
Yes, sir.
Ayushi, me and one Tasif sir and OD42 and Nisa Bharti, Vishnukant, Aditya, Sanjana, Vidya Jyoti, Priyansi, Shivam, Mahak, Harsh Chaudhary, Sakshi Kumari. I have already prepared and planned my class through Snap Homework. Have you got the message through Snap Homework or not?
Yes,
Students,
sir.
have you got the message?
Yes, sir.
Message. Okay, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
It means Snap Homework is working well. The school system is working well, but this is here. It is the lack of students of 8C and D in this period. Those who are not attending the class regularly. I think here it is the lack of students, and here it is
Yes,
we can't say that the lack of and system. This is the lack of you. Yes, am I right?
yes,
Those listen, those who are and monitor of class 8C and 8D. It's my request to them. It's my request to the monitors. Please convey the message properly to your classmates or friends. Yesterday I have already told, and today I am going to repeat this, and after that I am not going to say or repeat, and after that I will only prepare the attendance and post the same attendance to your class teacher. Only the class teacher will make the attendance only for them, those who attended the class. Class teacher made the attendance only to them, those who attended the class. Mandatory and perfectly, it is clearly you have to understand, and you have to share this information or message the same to your friends. Total 16. Now, till now, total 16 participants are here. Yesterday, what we have discussed? Yesterday, we have discussed about the summary of the chapter. Before that,
an answer question.
in our online classes, we have already completed the chapter, the undeserved reward.
Yes, sir.
And already discussed previously in the previous class, we have discussed about your summary, short summary, and question answer of the chapter, the undeserved reward by Premchand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and today I think to discuss the next chapter of class 8, the next chapter of your syllabus. Today I want to discuss the next chapter of your syllabus. What is the next chapter?
Bengal Sailor.
Bengal
By
Sailor.
Sarojini Naidu.
Good, good. Bengal Sailor is a poem. Bengal
Yes,
Sailor
sir.
is a poetry written by Sarojini Naidu. Yes. Take out your book and the chapter Bengal Sailor.
Okay, sir.
Yes, listen. This is the common information to all. Take out your book and chapter the Bengal Sailor. Now, have you taken out your book, boys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Poetry, the Bengal Sailor,
Yes, sir.
written by Sarojini Naidu. Yes. First, listen to me. I am going to explain something about the chapter. Don't see the text. Don't see the line of your poem. Only listen to me. First, listen to me.
Okay, sir.
It's a poem, Bengal Sailor, written by Sarojini Naidu. The poet wanted to describe about the beauty, color, and work ethics of Bengals in Indian society, for Indian married women or for Indian women. It is discussed about the clarity, it is discussed about the purity, it is discussed about the religion and custom of Indian culture and tradition. It is a poetry of women of all ages. And this poetry discussed a lot about the age of women from childhood to old age. In this poetry, Sarojini Naidu explained the sense of reality and the sense of sincerity regarding the women's tradition and culture in India or Indian society. And now it's my request to those who are capable enough to share the screen of your first page. If you are able to do, I have already on the screen sharing option to share the screen of first page, Bengal Sailor. Yes, good. Jyoti Kumari, share the screen. Good. Yes, listen. In pre-reading task, 2 questions have given there. The first question is, have you seen women wearing bangles? It is a question to you. Have you seen women wearing bangles?
Yes, sir.
In your
Yes,
society,
sir.
in your colony,
Yes,
in your
sir.
locality? Yes, obviously, all of you have
Yes.
seen the women
Yes,
wearing
yes.
bangles. And tell me, the age of the women wearing bangles after the marriage, approx more than 30, more than 30. After the marriage, the women wearing bangles.
Bangles.
Bangles, yes.
Some also before the marriage, some also before the
Before the
marriage.
Yes, sir. In all age groups.
Yes, in all age groups. Because the bangles are common in society. Bangles are common for women in our society. Bangles common for all ages.
Yes, sir.
Because it is started from childhood to old age. Am I right? Yes, the
Yes,
next
sir.
question
Yes,
is,
sir. You are right.
the next question is, name any 2 festivals or occasions observed in India wherein Bengals hold a special significance. Talk about the importance of these festivals. Tell me the name of some festivals where Bengals hold a special significance. Means Bengals hold a special importance in the festival. Now it's your
Sir,
question. Tell me the names of some festival.
sir, Karwa Chauth and Teej.
Karwa Chauth and Teej. Very good. Good answer. What's your name? Who had
Sir,
given this
myself.
answer?
Sir, Jyoti.
Jyoti. Good answer, Jyoti. Karwa Chauth and
Thank you, sir.
Teej. Having or holding a special significance and importance. Bangles having a special significance and importance in the festival of Karwa Chauth and Teej. And what is the meaning of observed? Used here, observed. OBSERVED, observed. What is the meaning of observed here in this line?
So means जो कि इंडिया में दिखता है.
नहीं, व्रत रखना, व्रत समझती हो ना, व्रत करना.
Oh yes sir.
हाँ, ऑब्जर्व का मतलब व्रत होता है. फेस्टिवल करने का मतलब कि फास्ट में रहना, व्रत करना, फेस्टिवल है ना.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
व्रत ही फेस्टिवल है. वो अगर कोई लेडी करती है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्जर्व. ऑब्जर्व छठ व्रत, छठ फेस्टिवल, ऑब्जर्व करवा चौथ, ऑब्जर्व तीज. अंडरस्टूड? ओके.
Yes sir.
Good one. And now read the poem Bengal Sailors by Sarojini Naidu. Now the text, the time of text to discuss, the time to discuss our text, lines of your poetry, and few difficult words given there in your first page, on your first page. Few difficult words. Please see it carefully. Tinted. What is the meaning of tinted?
Slightly colored.
Slightly colored. Good. What is the meaning of radiant?
Happy looking.
Radiant, happy looking. Flushed. What is the meaning of flushed?
Fresh.
Tranquil.
Peaceful.
Peaceful. Limpid. Limpid.
Clear.
Hue.
Color.
Hue means color. Good. These difficult word meanings written there and given there for your help. ये difficult word meanings आपके help के. This is given for your help. The first, see the first stanza of your poetry and lines carefully also. I am going to read and discuss the meaning of the answer with you. Meaning of the line. Bengal sailors are we who bear. Bengal sailors are we who bear our shining loads. Our shining loads refer to the Bengals. Shining loads refer to the Bengals. And the writer said, the poet said, Bengal sailors who bear means who carried our shining loads, the loads of our Bengals, to the temple fair. To the temple fair, into the fair of temple. Bengal sailors carried the Bengal to sell. Carried the Bengal there to sell in the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate? The poet said, who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow tilted circles of light? Who will buy? The question is here. Who will buy? Tell me the answer. Who will buy? Who will buy the bangles?
The women.
Women.
Yeah, women. Yeah, girls and women. They will buy the bangles of the girls and women.
Female.
Women, देखो बेटा, women is already a plural word. Don't use S with women. Women is already a plural word. WOMEN, plural. Women's nahi. Who will buy? Women will buy. Girls, ladies will buy the delicate bright color of Bengal. Delicate bright rainbow tilted circles of light means delicate bright color of Bengal. Rainbow color of bangles means all 7 color of bangles are there in the basket of Bengal seller. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lustrous tokens of radiant lights. The next line is lustrous tokens of radiant lives. For happy daughters and happy wives, and where the bangles are there for all ages, for the daughters and for the wives. Bangles are there for all ages, for the daughters and for the wives.
Why?
And bangles are there in the basket of the bangle seller for all ages, for the small, young, matured, and old, for the girls, for the daughters, for the wives, for the mothers, bangle for the women of all ages. Some are fit for a maiden's wrist, means some bangles. Some are means some bangles are fit for a maiden's wrist. Maiden's wrist means those who are unmarried.
Women.
Yes. Good,
Unmarried
good, good. Unmarried women. Those who are unmarried is called maiden.
Yes.
Some are means some bangles are fit for unmarried girls. Unmarried wrist. Silver and blue as the mountain mist. Some colors are as the mixing of silver and blue, as the mountain mist, mountain covered by ice. Mountain mist means mountain covered by ice, completely covered by ice. The color is as the mixture of silver and blue.
Blue.
Yes, silver and blue. The mixture of silver and blue is called mountain mist.
Mist.
जब कोई माउंटेन पूरे बर्फ से ढक जाए, उसको दूर से देखो तो सिल्वरी और हल्का लाइट ब्लू कलर का आपको दिखेगा, सिल्वर और ब्लू माउंटेन मिस्ट.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some are flushed like the birds that dream. Some means some is used here for bangles. Some bangles are flushed. The meaning of flushed given there, fresh.
Yes, fresh.
Some of the bangles are fresh.
Fresh.
Like the birds that dream. Birds means new leaves of flower, new flower, yeah, new leaves of flower is called birds, new flower. Newly born flower, yeah, new flowers, new birds of flowers, called the birds. जो birds होते हैं, flower birds, fresh, clear in aspect, in looking. The birds of the flowers are clear. Some color of some bangles are fresh, like birds that dream, birds that dream in the poet. On the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. The tranquil meaning also there, peaceful. Tranquil means peaceful.
Peaceful.
On the peaceful brow of a woodland stream. Peaceful stream means peaceful stream of wooden box. In the wooden box, in a peaceful way, all color of bangles were decorated there by the bangle seller for the women's, daughters, girls, and children. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves. Some are aglow, means some are shining with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. Cleaves to the limpid glory of new. Limpid meaning given there. Clear. Limpid means clear. To the clear glory of newborn leaves. I think meaning is very clear and confirm. It is 100% clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Means to the clear glory of newborn leaves. Some color of some bangles are as the newborn leaves of flowers and newborn leaves of plants or trees. Color of some bangles are as. कुछ बेंगल्स के कलर जो है न्यू बॉर्न लीव्स और न्यू बॉर्न फ्लावर्स के जैसे एकदम चमक रहे हैं, फ्रेश, क्लियर इन इन कलर. Color of some bangles are very clear, fresh, as like as newborn leaves, as like as newborn flowers, birds. बर्ड्स की मतलब बर्ड्स की मीनिंग कली होती है,
Yes,
फ्लावर
yes,
की कली,
sir.
जो नई वाली कली निकलती है फ्लावर्स की.
Yes,
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Only 16 participants are.
Sir, 15.
So how can it would be possible to make it 50, make it more than 50, yeah, make it bigger and better participant crowd? You can suggest. And after that, I will put the same attendance to the class teacher to make it in the attendance register. And those who have not attended, please tell them that their attendance, we are not going to mark the attendance of today for them. We are not going to mark the attendance for them on the date of 5th of January 2022. If they join, if they are willing and they are ready to attend the class, then we will mark the attendance. Otherwise, we are not going to mark the attendance. And it is very painful at the end of the session to maintain 75% of attendance before annual examination. It is very painful. It is very problematic. It creates a very first class problem for them. So it's my request, suggestion, advice to all and the monitors to tell the same to them. The third stanza, listen the third stanza. Some are like fields of sunlit corn. What is the meaning of corn? Boys and girls.
सर कॉर्न मतलब तो मक्का होता है.
Corn. Light red. कॉर्न का जो नेचुरल और प्रॉपर कलर होता है वो लाइट रेड होता है, राइट? And some colors of the
Yes.
bangles are like field of sunlit corn. कुछ colors जो हैं sunlight corn की तरीके से, corn के color के जैसे हैं. Some bangles are in the color of sunlight corn, in the color of corn, very beautiful and attractive. Meet for a bridal on her bridal morn. And that color of bangles are only for the newly married women or for the brides. Newly married women, for the brides in the bridal morning. Some like the flame of her marriage fire. Flame of her marriage fire means completely in red color. Some like the flame, complete red color bangles are also there in the box of bangle seller. Some like the flame of marriage fire, or rich with the hue of heart's desire. What is the meaning of hue? Color. Rich with the hue of heart's desire. Rich with the color of heart's desire means all colors of bangles are there in the basket of bangle seller. Clear to all? Any confusion and problem?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
Okay. Some are like fields of sunlit corn, meet for a bridal on her bridal morn. Some are like the flame of her marriage fire, or rich with the color of heart's desire. The basket of Bengal sealer completely filled with all colors of bangles, completely filled with the different color of bangles. Means all heart color of heart desire color bangles are there in the basket of bangle seller.
ladies.
Yes, thinking, luminous, tender, and clear. Thinking, luminous, tender, and clear. Like her bridal laughter and bridal tears. What is the meaning of the last two lines of this para, this stanza? Thinking, luminous, tender, and clear. Like her bridal laughter and bridal tears. Which color? Color of some bangles are luminous, tender, soft, clear, and very clear and means shining color of bangle. Like her bridal laughter and bridal tears. The two terms are used here by the poet. Bridal laughter and bridal tears. What is the meaning of this one? Can anyone tell me? Meaning of
So which
bridal
line?
laughter and bridal tears?
सर मतलब ब्राइड
Bridal
की हंसी
laughter
और
and bridal tears.
सर मतलब
Sir,
ब्राइड की हंसी और जो
हंसी और ब्राइड की आंसू की तरफ.
यस सर बोथ हंसी एंड आंसू.
Yes, like her bridal. या आदित्य कुमार luminous. बेटा luminous की meaning होती है very bright. Very bright in color is called luminous. Tender, soft, clear, also bright, visible. Like her bridal tears, some colors are referring the bridal laughter, and some colors are also referring by the poet here. As in comparison, you can say that the bridal tears.
यस सर.
कुछ कलर जो है रेफर कर रहे हैं ब्राइडल लाफ्टर को भी ब्राइडल टीयर्स को भी. All colors, different colors are there in the basket of Bengal sailor. Yes.
Yes.
How many stanzas are left in this poetry?
So only one stanza is left.
Only one.
Okay. Yes, Jyoti, share next page.
Okay, sir.
Yes, only 4 or 5 lines are left, so we are going to complete it today.
Okay sir.
Some are purple and gold flecked gray. Some colors of Bengals are purple. Do you know the meaning color of purple?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We know.
Okay, very good, purple. And gold flecked gray means color, gray color with gold sign, gold flecked gray. Understood? Gray plus gold mixture जो color होगा, this is called gold flecked gray.
Yes.
Some colors are purple and some colors are gold flecked gray.
Okay.
For she who has journeyed through life midway, and the colors are there for them. Those who had journeyed, who had journeyed her who had journeyed half of her life. Life midway means approx the aged woman, approx the age for the woman is 40 to 50, 40 से 50 के बीच की औरत जो कि अपने लाइफ का मिडवे मतलब आधी जिंदगी जी चुकी हो, half of the life. See, those who have completed half of their life. For she who has journeyed through life midway, मतलब half of the life जो जी चुकी हैं, approx the age of 40 or 50. Whose hands have cherished, whose love has blessed. Whose hands have cherished means decorated. Whose love has blessed. Whose love blessed for the son and daughter, for the members of the family. And cradled fair sons on her faithful breast. And cradled the son on her breast, cradle the son into her lap. अब देखो cradled son whose love has blessed and cradled fair son on her faithful breast. The meaning of this line is the lady who has completed her life midway, completed her 50 years of her age, and who loved and blessed all the family members, and whose love and whose work and effort, hard work is there for all the family members. मतलब सबको प्यार करते हो, चाहे बेटा हो बेटी हो, सबको. Who serves her household in fruitful pride? वो lady, the lady, women, औरतें जो क्या करती हैं, घर का काम, जो हाउस होल्ड या हाउस लेडी होती है या हाउस वाइफ होती है, वो क्या करती है, घर का काम पूरे पीसफुल माइंड में और हैप्पी मूड में करती है. उनमें कोई ग्रीवांस, कोई कंप्लेन नहीं होता उनका कि यू मस्ट पे फॉर इट टू देम, यू मस्ट पे फॉर दिस वर्क टू द वुमेन. कभी भी औरतें अपने काम का डिमांड नहीं करती है, पैसा, मैंने घर में इतना किया, इसके इतने पैसे मेरे बने. Who serves her household in fruitful pride? Who served all the family members in fruitful pride? The lady thought that this is her duty. This is not only her duty. This is her first and foremost responsibility to do the work, to do all the household things for their family members, and worship the gods at her husband's side. And worship the gods. Here it is a comparison. Husband को कैसे मानती है? They refer the husband as a god. They considered their husband as a god.
God.
Yes, they considered women, Indian women. Indian women considered her husband, considered their husband as a god.
God.
They love, respect, work for them, love, respect, all the things, and they considered as a god. The lines are for those who had journeyed their life midway, who has completed half of her life. These lines are for them.
Yes, sir.
Their hard work are for the family members. Their hard work are only devoted for their family members, and they worked hard in fruitful pride. Okay.
Yes,
Now, any confusion? Any confusions left?
No, sir, no
sir.
confusion.
No, sir.
No confusion. If you have any confusion, you can ask. If you have any problem in word meaning, you can ask.
No, sir.
You can have any problem in the meaning of the line or the word, you can ask.
Sir, what is the meaning of cherished?
Cherished means decorated, colored.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Cherished means, I'm going to share this thing, one more thing, the meaning of cherished. एक charity की meaning होती है दान, सम्मान और काम.
Yes, sir.
Charity जानते हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, दान देना.